Welcome to Tech Tether. How to find wired and wireless network devices connected to my extender. To view connected devices, ensure the Nighthawk app is installed on your device. If not installed, follow these steps. Access the device store: Google Play Store for Android, Apple App Store for iOS. In the search bar, enter Nighthawk app and proceed with the installation by tapping Download. Wait for the app to install without interruptions. Launch the app, and a login window will appear. Enter the details used to create the MyNetGear account and tap Sign In. Go to Settings, then select Network Map to view the topology of your network. Tap your extender model to spy on connected devices. For the second feature, go to Device Manager on the main dashboard to see connected devices. Now that you know how to find wired and wireless network devices connected to my Wi-Fi extender, it's crucial to secure your network. To do this, secure Wi-Fi range extender network. Open a new tab, enter mywifi.xt.net or 192.168.1.250 in the address. Enter admin login credentials, click Login, and select Settings greater than Wireless Settings. Choose the extender's network name, click USE a new password under Wi-Fi password, select the security type. Enter and verify the new password, then click Save.